Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Tumas, Tehama, and Butte. Flash flood emergency for the Dixie fire burn area. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for Tumas County in Northern California, Eastern Tehama County in Northern California, Central Butte County in Northern California, Southeastern Shasta County in Northern California, Lassen County in Northern California, until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:29 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for the Dixie fire burn area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chico, Paradise, Oroville, Brush Creek RS, Polga, Mineral, Chester, Shingletown, Prattville, Sterling City, Story, Lake Hall Manor, Caribou, Conco, Lassen National Park, Twain, Canyon Dam, East Shore, Viola, and Tobin. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Dixie fire burn area. The debris flow can consist of Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Tumas, Tehama, and Butte. Flash flood emergency for the Dixie fire burn area. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for Tumas County in Northern California, Eastern Tehama County in Northern California, Central Butte County in Northern California, Southeastern Shasta County in Northern California, Lassen County in Northern California, until 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 3:29 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for the Dixie fire burn area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chico, Paradise, Oroville, Brush Creek RS, Polga, Mineral, Chester, Shingletown, Prattville, Sterling City, Story, Lake Hall Manor, Caribou, Conco, Lassen National Park, Twain, Canyon Dam, East Shore, Viola, and Tobin. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Dixie fire burn area. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Additional rainfall amounts of 5 to 8 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. following counties